You might have been familiar with the name Stryker. Stryker is a family of 8-wheeled armored fighting vehicles introduced and manufactured by General Dynamics Land Systems, or GDLS, and serves as main equipment for the U.S. Army. It is based on the GDLS Canadian LAV-3 8x8 light armored vehicle, which has been in service since early 2001. The LAV-3 itself is a modified Piranha 3 built by Moy of Switzerland, which is now Europe-based GDLS. The 8-wheeled Stryker armored combat vehicle is the U.S. Army's first new military vehicle since the Abrams tank in the 1980s, and has been well known as the battlefield-wheeled armored vehicle of 21st century. Stryker comes in 10 different configurations, which are outfitted with a double V hull to protect soldiers from mines and improvised explosive devices. So, what are those 10 variants of the Stryker family? Hello everyone! Today we will discuss about 11 versions of Stryker series. If you are curious about the topic, don't go anywhere and stay tuned. M1126 Infantry Carrier Vehicle. The M1126 Infantry Carrier Vehicle, or ICV, is an armored personnel carrier used by the U.S. Army and Royal Thai Army. On metalled roads, the vehicle can reach speeds of 62 miles per hour with operational range of 110 miles. The basic ICV can protect the 2-man crew and a squad of 9 infantry soldiers with basic hard steel armor. This steel armor is supplemented with lightweight ceramic or composite applique panels produced by icv-d Deisenroth Engineering. The armor provides 14.5 mm of all-around protection against machine gun rounds, mortar rounds, and artillery fragments. In the Iraq War in January 2004, the Stryker vehicles were outfitted with a cage of slat armor that encircled the vehicle about 18 inches from the main body to protect against rocket-propelled grenades. Moreover, the ICV is outfitted with a Kongsberg Protect of Norway Protector remote weapon station with a universal soft-mount cradle that can accommodate a 50 caliber M2 machine gun, MK 1940 mm grenade launcher, or MK 240 762 mm machine gun. It is also armed with 4 M6 smoke grenade launchers. Models with the double V hull upgrade are known as the M1256 icv. M1296 Dragoon Armored Personnel Carrier. The M1296 Dragoon Armored Personnel Carrier is the upgraded version of the existing M1126 Stryker infantry fighting vehicle. New features include some modifications made to the hull roof of the vehicle to fit a Kongsberg unmanned turret with an Mk44 Bushmaster 230mm cannon. This new cannon outperforms the previous M2 heavy machine gun in terms of lethality, range, and accuracy, providing an effective range of engagement to lightly armored vehicle of up to 3,000 meters. In addition, this cannon fires airburst rounds that explode above the target, allowing to strike enemies hiding in trenches and behind walls. The airburst rounds are also effective against unmanned aerial vehicles. The cannon has a dual feed system, which enables the gunner to quickly switch between ammunition types. Its turret holds 156 ready rounds, 78 rounds per side. An M240 coaxial 762mm machine gun is also available, with the turret holds a total of 400 ready rounds. Besides that, this vehicle is built to withstand mine blasts. This is mainly because its front arc is resistant to 14.5mm heavy machine gun rounds. To provide all-around protection against this armor-piercing rounds, a ceramic add-on armor can be installed, while to protect the crew and passengers from spalling, the interior of the vehicle is lined with Kevlar liner. Also, externally mounted fuel tanks are designed to blow away from the hull in the event of an explosion, giving high protection for the crew. M1127 Reconnaissance Vehicle. Similar to M1126 ICV, the M1127 Reconnaissance Vehicle, or RV, is also an armored personnel carrier. What makes this vehicle a bit different with previous variant is that it provides reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition squadrons and battalion scouts with an effective platform for reconnaissance and surveillance operations. The RV can carry a squad of 6 plus 1 augmented, for a total vehicle capacity of 7 people. The battalion scout platoon can establish tactics, techniques, and procedures that enable them to use the vehicle while still performing the traditional dismounted scout platoon mission. This Stryker variant is outfitted with the add-on armor, Raytheon's Long-Range Advanced Scout Surveillance System, a second-generation horizontal technology initiative thermal imager, DAY-TV, as well as an eye-safe laser rangefinder. The RV is armed with 50 caliber M2 heavy machine gun or MK 1940mm grenade launcher as the main weapon, while the secondary armament consists of 762mm M240 machine gun. This vehicle can run at a maximum speed of 62 miles per hour and operational range of up to 300 miles. M1128 Mobile Gun System or MGS. The M1128 MGS entered service with the U.S. Army in May 2007, making its first operational deployment to Iraq with the 4th Brigade, 2nd Division. In August 2008, a production contract for 62 vehicles was signed. The Stryker mobile gun system variant combines the basic vehicle with a fully stabilized shoot-on-the-move low-profile turret from General Dynamics Land Systems. An M68, a 1E4 105mm cannon with muzzle brake, and an M250 caliber commander's machine gun are mounted in the turret. Besides that, this vehicle is equipped with complex composite Kevlar spall liner for inside protection, add-on composite armor against 14.5mm rounds, and add-on slat armor against RPG rockets. The Stryker mobile gun system can fire 18 rounds of 105mm main gun ammunition, 400 rounds of 50 caliber ammunition, as well as 3,400 rounds of 762mm ammunition. Vista Controls, a division of Curtiss-Wright Corp., provides the fully automated ammunition loading and replenishment system. 2 M6 smoke grenade launchers are installed on the vehicle. The mobile gun system has the same C4 ISR communications and driver's vision equipment as the icv, but the gunner has 3 periscopes and a compact modular sight with dual field of view day and thermal channels. The MGS also has detectors for nuclear, biological, and chemical weapons. The brigade combat teams benefit from having the mobile gun vehicle of the same Stryker family because of the commonality across the entire capability and the reduced logistics requirements, enabling the Stryker mobile gun system not require a track vehicle mechanic. This vehicle can run at a maximum speed of 60 miles per hour with operational range of 330 miles. M1129 Mortar Carrier, MC. In August 2005, the first M1129 mortar carrier vehicles were put into service with the U.S. Army 172nd Stryker Brigade combat teams. This Stryker Brigade deployed the M1129 Mortar Carrier Vehicle version B, or also known as MCV-B. The MCV-B is armed with the RMS 6L 120mm mortar, which is mounted inside the vehicle and fires through doors that swing open at the top. The vehicle also carries a second mortar in addition to the mounted mortar, which is 81mm M252 mortar and must be unloaded before firing. On the other hand, the MCV is also fitted with M240 762mm machine gun. The vehicle is also equipped with a digital fire control system and a crew of 5. The top speed and operational range of this vehicle is 62 miles per hour and 300 miles, respectively. Models with the double V hull upgrade are known as the M1252 MCVV. M1130 Commander Vehicle, CV. The M1130 Commander Vehicle, or CV, is equipped with an FBCB-2 digital communications system or Force 21 Battle Command Brigade and below. This is the most distinctive feature of the CV, which allows communication between vehicles, as well as with the battalion via text messaging and a map network. The map depicts the location of all vehicles on the battlefield, and the commander can mark the location of enemy forces on the map, which other commanders can see. The Raytheon ANSC 158 Enhanced Position Location Reporting System is included in FBCB2, dubbed the Tactical Internet or EPLRS. Furthermore, this vehicle is equipped with M250 caliber gun or MK 1940mm grenade launcher as its main armament, mounted in a Protector remote weapon station. The Stryker driver is equipped with 3 M17 periscopes, as well as a DRS Technologies ANV as 5 driver's vision enhancer. Meanwhile, there are 7 M45 periscopes and a thermal imager display with video camera available to the vehicle commander. Similar to M1127 and M1129 Stryker, the M1130 also has a maximum speed of 62 miles per hour and operational range of 300 miles. Models with the double V hull upgrade are known as the M1253 CVV. M1131 Fire Support Vehicle. The M1131 Fire Support Vehicle, or FSV, provides automated enhanced surveillance, target acquisition, target identification, target tracking, target designation, position location, and communications, supporting the SBCT with a first-round fire-for-effect capability. It incorporates the current M707 Stryker mission equipment package and enables fire support teams to automate command and control functions, as well as perform fire support planning, directing, controlling, and cross-functional area coordination and execution. This is done by instantly transmitting targets to the fire support system and shooter. The FSV is based on the ICV because the two vehicles' operational requirements are quite similar. The FSV helps maximizing platform commonality of the ICV while decreasing maintenance footprint and logistics support variety. This armament of this vehicle includes M250 caliber gun or MK 1940mm grenade launcher mounted in Protector remote weapon station, as well as M240 762mm machine gun. It also can run at a top speed of 62 miles per hour in operational range of up to 300 miles. Models with the double V hull upgrade are known as the M1251 FSVV. M1132 Engineer Squad Vehicle Est. The M1132 is the combat engineering variant in Stryker family. This vehicle is aimed at transporting and supporting combat engineers on the battlefield. This is mainly because it is equipped with obstacle clearance and lane marking systems, as well as mine detection devices. The most distinguishing feature of this vehicle is a mine clearance blade, which frequently tows a wheeled trailer loaded with extra equipment. The ESV can clear mines on paved surfaces, as well as some rubble clearance. Also, the mounted engineer squad can complete other mobility tasks using the tools on the vehicle and trailer. The M2. 50 caliber gun or MK 1940mm grenade launcher and 762mm machine gun are the armament fitted on this vehicle. Models with the double V hull upgrade are known as the M1257 Est and can run at a maximum speed of 62 miles per hour with operational range of 300 miles. M1133 Medical Evacuation Vehicle. The Medical Evacuation Vehicle, or MEV, serves as the primary ambulance platform in units equipped with Stryker family vehicles. It is assigned from the battalion aid station to each of the unit's company-sized elements and provides treatment for serious injury and advanced trauma cases. The vehicle mainly aids the organic medic who accompanies the infantry soldier during dismounted operations. The evacuation includes emergency care en route, which will be supplemented by the medic in a safe environment with adequate lighting and medical equipment. The MEV and its crew can proceed, protected by integrated overwatching fires that provide protection for the patient and medical team. It features an easily accessible attendant's seat from which the attendant can monitor patients. The ambulance has Geneva Convention emblem that can be removed or masked without changing the camouflage pattern. The rear ramp is hydraulically operated, reducing the possibility of being exposed to hostile activity or inclement weather. Same as most of the Stryker series, this version can reach a top speed of 62 miles per hour and operational range of 300 miles. However, this vehicle is not equipped with any armament. Models with the double V hull upgrade are known as the M1254 MEV. M1134 Anti-Tank Guided Missile Carrier. The M1134 Anti-Tank Guided Missile Vehicle is a brigade's primary tank destroyer system, which provides long-range direct fire. The vehicle is capable of taking down many armored threats from up to 4 kilometers away. This anti-tank guided missile vehicle provides standoff for the SBCT by using SACLO's guided missiles with ranges equal to or greater than most cannons, autocannons, or small arms. This enables the brigade's remaining MAV fleet to be optimized for specific capabilities that can operate under the anti-tank Overwatch umbrella. Among the 300 Stryker vehicles in a Stryker brigade combat team, 9 are M1134 anti-tank vehicles. Models with the double V hull upgrade are known as the M1253 AT. M1135 Nuclear, Biological, and Chemical Reconnaissance (BCR) Vehicle. The M1135 BCRV is aimed at detecting and monitoring nuclear, biological, and chemical threats on the battlefield. The NBCRV increases the Stryker brigade combat team's attack power by providing situational awareness. This is due to the NBCRV's core components, which consist of onboard integrated NBC sensor suite and integrated meteorological system. This allows the NBCRV to detect and collect chemical and biological contamination in its immediate surroundings by using point detection, chemical biological mass spectrometer, and joint biological point detection system, as well as a standoff detector, JSL SCAD. Therefore, the system can automatically collect and integrate contamination data with vehicle navigation and meteorological sensor systems before transmitting digital warning messages to other forces via the mission command system. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.